Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the world of pharmaceuticals, specifically the various career paths you can pursue in the industry. If you're a student considering a future in pharma, this video is for you. First up, research and development, or R&D. This is where the magic happens. Scientists in R&D come up with new drugs and therapies. It's all about innovation and pushing the boundaries of medicine. If you love the idea of being on the cutting edge of science, R&D might be your calling. Next, we have quality assurance, or QA. QA professionals ensure that every product meets stringent standards before reaching the market. They're the gatekeepers of quality, making sure that safety isn't compromised. If you've got an eye for detail and a passion for procedures, QA is a great fit. Closely related is quality control, or QC. While QA focuses on the process, QC focuses on the product. QC professionals test and verify that the final products are up to par. If you enjoy lab work and have a knack for spotting imperfections, QC could be for you. Then there's regulatory affairs. This role involves navigating the complex world of regulations and compliance. Regulatory affairs specialists make sure that new drugs meet all the legal requirements before they can be sold. If you have a keen interest in law and policy, this could be your niche. Moving on to clinical research and trials. This is where new drugs are tested on humans to ensure they're safe and effective. Clinical research professionals design and oversee these trials. If you're fascinated by the process of bringing a drug from the lab to the market and enjoy working with people, consider this path. Let's not forget production and manufacturing. This is where drugs are mass-produced. Professionals in this field oversee the entire production process to ensure efficiency and quality. If you're interested in engineering and large-scale operations, production might be your thing. Finally, sales and marketing. These professionals are the bridge between the company and the consumers. They strategize how to promote new drugs and educate healthcare providers about their benefits. If you've got a flair for communication and persuasion, a career in pharma sales and marketing could be very rewarding. So there you have it, a quick tour of the various career paths in the pharmaceutical industry. Each role is vital in bringing new medicines to those who need them. Whether you're drawn to the science, the regulations, or the business side of things, there's a place for you in pharma. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more career tips and insights. See you next time.